Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2012 Mazda BT-50, stock number 6416. It's ran from the 10th 2011 to the 6th 2020. It has a P580 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is the P580 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, left front door mirror, left rear door 2 dents, left rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, right rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front door mirror, right front 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster,